Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Earlier this year, Snapchat confirmed it was testing the feature with a very small percentage, Apple terminal reports. It was initially only available on Apple devices, not Android, and was only an option for users in certain locations, including parts of Australia and the US.
Take our lead.
To activate dark mode on Snapchat, the user needs to locate the App Appearance section of the settings. Click on App Appearance to open a secondary menu and choose between either Match System, Always Light and Always Dark. Always Light is enabled by default and is the normal Snapchat theme.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to get dark mode on Snapchat iOS and Android 2021. First, update and open Snapchat. Tap on your profile pic on the above left side. Now select Settings from the above right side. Scroll down and select App Appearance. Now select Always Dark to enable dark mode on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.